What's up guys, Traveling Mayhem here. We are at our favorite place, Fresno Chaffee Zoo, and this beautiful one got me the best surprise. We're gonna do the Rhino Rumble, where we get to go behind the scenes at the zoo and feed the rhinos. So we're super stoked. We're gonna go and get some food right now. We got a little bit of time to kill and go check out some of our favorite exhibits, and then we're gonna go feed some freaking rhinos. So we're stoked. We'll show you guys as much as we can. There's some areas where we're not allowed to bring, or not show. So we'll have the GoPro, so hopefully we'll get all up in the rhino's nose and you'll get to see it firsthand. So here we go, guys. So you can tell the zoo's getting ready for zoo lights, which is one of our favorite things. And they've already got a snowman set up already. It looks weird. It looks like there's like two eyes and a mouth already. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just like that. The Grinch is here behind a fence, which they'll take that fence down. It looks like, maybe? No, it looks like it's all lit up. Like they're planning on using it right there. How you doing today, Natty? Thank you for the best freaking gift ever.
I'm excited that we get to celebrate your birthday here at the zoo.
Yeah, it's the lemurs. Where they at? Where they at, though? Oh, I see a little tail. They're just chilling right now. Oh, there we go again with chilling. That's my magic word whenever I'm at the zoo, is chilling. And as always, we're walking into our favorite area, the African Safari Adventure.
Savannah.
It's safari.
You go on a safari.
We're going to the African Savannah Adventure. Look who's out grazing right now, the rhinos. But look, the baby's over in the corner. Baby rhino's out to play too. Chilling and eating. Chilling. There's the baby though.
You're coming this way.
The baby is adorable. He's looking around.
You excited? You get to...
Yeah, we get to be up close and personal with them.
Not these ones, I don't think.
We don't get to hang out with the baby?
No.
The little baby? Alright, let's go get something to eat. For today's meal, we got pepperoni pizza, some Modelo, some white wine, and a cheeseburger. Quick food update. The pizza is slamming. And how's your cheeseburger?
It's really good.
Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Bomb burger? Mm-hmm. Looks like it. We're both killing it. How's the wine, by the way? What wine did you get?
Oh, it's sweet.
Sweet wine?
Mm-hmm.
We need to get a bottle of their conservation wine that they have.
I figured it'd be just like a normal white wine.
Is it not? Bummer.
I'll still drink it.
Modelo though, still good. One of our favorite exhibits, the warthogs. They're chilling underneath the rock right now.
What are they doing?
They're chilling. When I was a young warthog.
Oh my God,
they're just playing together right now. One of our favorites, the meerkats. They're sunbathing. They look like it's nap time. Did you guys just have a good meal? And it's nap time at the zoo. They're the cutest though. Look who's out on exhibit, the Arudads. So we're playing a game today called Avoid Crowds as much as possible because it's really busy today. So we're going everywhere opposite of where we think people are at. Look at this little show off. Those wings all spread. Who do you think you are, man? Oh, hello. Flappy flap. We're already getting glimpses of the zoo lights, and they look beautiful. Here's the rhinos we get to probably feed. They're out there playing in the water right now. Both of them are out there. Oh, yep, there's the other one. They're playing in the water. It must be cold, because it's cold out. It's like 65 degrees right now. So you know that water is cold. And they're playing in it. We are 5 minutes from a Rhino Rumble. And I'm pretty sure we're both nervous. We don't know what to expect. So we're going in open-minded and really nervous. So we'll film as we go. Nervous.
Are you nervous?
Nervous.
Run, run, run!
Oh, they're working it off.
I know this is for your birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah, their playing can look really rough to us.
Yeah, how long can that much weight run without getting exhausted?
Let's time it. That's all.
He's not leaving him alone.
Could be a game.
You can see their skin folds.
Yeah.
So this is their back holding space that they would go if it's too hot or too cold or
Nice.
when having to shift and clean so they can lay out their fresh diet. Alright, welcome. So this is our Greater One-Horned Rhino night house or barn or holding space, multiple different terms that are used. Used to have the Asian elephants with 12-inch thick walls. So when moving from Asian elephants to rhinos, we knew this was going to be a pretty sturdy area. So it worked out really well.
Nice.
The walls behind here are the training session area. We have a training wall, different panels open up so we can examine different body parts of the animals in a safe area. There's no free contact with these guys because of how big they are. So those open panels and different spaces are utilized really well. So now we've introduced Oliver. We're going to go ahead and get started on getting that painting ready, but before I do want to go over some safety instruction.
Okay.
You guys are going to get to touch, possibly, and feed the rhinos.
Cool.
When feeding, you're going to have a piece of food in your hand, you're going to lay it on your hand, and then you're just going to scoop it right out. You don't want to hold it with your fingers or grab onto it, just keep it flat, like you're feeding a horse if you've ever done
Yes.
it.
Yeah. Cool.
You're not obligated to feed, you're not obligated to touch, but it is an option. Now the painting that will get ready, here are some different colors. You can do a minimum of 2, maximum of 3, whatever colors you'd like. You can do spots, you can do squiggles, you can do stars, you can do hearts. If you do little globs, I wouldn't recommend anything bigger than a dime, because when you take the painting out, you're going to hold it up like this to the rhino,
And if it's
all of it's just
dripping,
going to fall. So I wouldn't concentrate a whole lot of paint in one area, but you do want to focus your designs more toward the center. If you're trying to do like borders out here, it's going to stay that way. They're not going to paint that because it's a little hard for them to get to those areas.
Should we do one more little squirrel?
There you go. We'll see how it turns out.
And then you
You're going to call them over, and ideally they'll come over.
Shooty mother!
Get some food.
Nice.
So it looks like we will be working with both of them today.
Cool.
There's 2 keepers present. So likely they'll have one keeper, one with another, and then you guys can switch if you want to keep both of them.
Awesome.
Here it is split.
One thing I did forget to mention, if you guys drop a piece of food or the rhinos drop a piece of food, leave it on the ground. The keepers can pick it up.
Your favorite.
Hi.
This is Tootsie.
Hi, Mozzie. It's a yomate with her. But
Move it.
3,500 pounds, and the other guy is about almost 4,000 pounds.
Holy
He's
moly.
only about 50 pounds off. So we're going to do the touching and feeding part first so that nobody's covered in paint just yet.
All right.
So we can have you guys come up one at a time, or you can do one per keeper, whatever you guys prefer. And like she said, the easiest way to feed is just like a horse. Let him kind of tuck it right off. Right, so who wants to go first?
You want to go at the same time? Can we come at the same time? You do that when we do this one? So we do it together?
Go ahead and just...
Oh, okay. I get it.
You're so cute. Okay.
Oh, here. And they don't have the best eyesight, so a lot of times we've got to kind of meet them wherever they are. So do you guys want to switch to see what the other rhino's like?
Yeah.
Let's switch it up.
Good idea. Now you can tell me which one is gentler.
Whoa. Yeah. I can definitely tell.
Snacks
Yeah.
the produce out of his
Here.
hand.
There you go.
You're gentler.
Maz is actually
Yes.
much better.
Wait.
He used to be a lot around here.
Man, I think he doesn't want me to stop.
No, he's
You're
very
so
cool.
slobbery and gummy.
They love that.
Awesome.
You must suck on him. You see
You want it?
He's kind
Yeah.
of sucking all
That's
over
what I
it.
thought. There.
Oh,
Just
you
relax.
are.
You are.
You're the
quick.
more gentler one, huh,
yeah.
The
buddy?
younger one, so he knows he's got to kind of eat quick, or if
Oh,
he's
no,
too
he's
slow, the other
all.
It's just pretty
He's all. Who's got it? Who's got it? There you go.
There. Good job.
Shoots.
Oh
Should
yeah.
be at 6 feet.
Oh,
and
wow.
taller when they're full grown. So he's got a little ways to go.
Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm low.
And you're. There you go. I gotcha.
That was awesome.
It was.
So how we're gonna do this
Okay.
is one of you is gonna come up at a time, and I'll tell you what we're trying to do with, and you're just gonna hold it vertical directly in front, and I'm gonna ask the rhino to color, and with their front lip, we're just gonna kind of start swirling it.
How awesome.
That's all you. This is your painting. I'll.
Okay.
You want
Yeah.
to try?
Yeah.
Come on down. Color.
All right.
Keep going. Color.
All right.
All right, so far that looks pretty good.
Yeah, that was
Do you want to
good.
turn it a little bit?
Yeah. Ozzy. Hey. Hey.
He loves the color. Color.
Feeling left out.
I got more. I got more.
Oh yeah.
All right, what do you think?
That is perfect.
Come
You gotta
here.
show, like, it's all over. And then,
Hay pieces.
yeah. Holy moly, guys. We just got a rhino painting that they wrote happy birthday for me. Holy moly, that was so much fun. That was the coolest surprise ever. Rhinos are the sweetest, biggest giants ever. They were 3,000 pounds. Fresno Chaffee Zoo is killing it with these behind the scenes encounters. We're gonna definitely do more, and we were just talking, like, we wanna do more. So we're gonna do more. We'll film it all like always, and we'll just show you guys. That was so cool. The trainers were awesome and sweet, and yeah, it was awesome. So this is Traveling Mayhem. We'll see you guys next time. Just follow, subscribe. We're just gonna keep posting cool stuff like this, so you guys follow along, follow us, and we'll just keep doing it. So Traveling Mayhem here. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.